Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making venison summer sausage. This recipe takes 2 hours to prep and 4 hours to cook. Serves 10 to 12 and is advanced difficulty. Ingredients: 5 pounds ground venison, 2 pounds ground pork, 3 tablespoons curing salt, 2 tablespoons black pepper, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons paprika, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cardamom, half cup cold water, and natural casings. Step 1. Mixing. Combine all ingredients and mix thoroughly for 1 to 2 minutes until mixture becomes sticky and binds together. Step 2. Curing. Refrigerate mixture 24 hours to allow curing salt to work. Step 3. Stuffing. Stuff mixture into prepared casings, making 12-inch lengths. Step 4. Smoking. Cold smoke at 90 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 hours, then hot smoke at 180 degrees Fahrenheit until internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 5. Cooling. Cool in ice bath, then refrigerate. And that's how you make venison summer sausage. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.